Hey guys, what's up? We're here to make a 2-minute video. I know it's going to be short, but it's going to be awesome because I'm using my awesome voice. But we have a winner for the Omegle Find Me chat, and his name's Adam. He won the man thing that I mentioned on my other channel a while ago for Black Ops 2. So we're just going to chill out, and talk and answer questions until 1 because that when it hits 1, that will make noise, and I will also make noise. So let's answer some questions until 1 o'clock. Oh wow, 2 minutes less. So we have a lot of questions. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go through it all today, but Dad, it's about to happen. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to answer them all since it's about to happen. Son, it's about to go down right now. So yeah, they're just cleaning, doing some reservations. But here it is. It's about to be 1. Let's go, son. Diamond lifestyle. Come on, clock. 1 minute, yo, 1 minute. But that's all you guys.
Actually, it's going to be a little later than that.
What do you mean? Like what time?
It comes on probably about when it says 1. It'll probably wait till like 1:05 for some reason instead of late.
Alright, we'll see.
When I turn it with my hand, it usually goes past the 1 o'clock before it starts to 1.
Yeah, it's 1.
Actually, it's not 1 yet.
Well, according to
You see that little dark dot?
Yeah, I know, but according to the laptop, it's 1.
Oh, yeah. Something?
I think it is 1. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's 1, son.
That's everything.
Okay, well, since it's 1, now we have to wait till 1:05 so I can answer some questions. Oh.
Right on the dot. It was right on the dot. Wow. You're older than me, it still was.
Yeah, you don't. Dad, my coins are in there. Can you make sure she doesn't touch it? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that bell ringing. And if you didn't, I have some loud and awesome stuff.
And it's called a grandfather clock.
The grandfather clock. Alright guys, so what's that? What's that?
The Diamond King.
What's that? Got my diamond, 'cause I'm the best. Mine is easy, 'cause I'm the best.
Every miner always asks me how I do it, and I always tell them grab up the box and so they go run through it. Got my diamond, 'cause I'm the best. Mine is easy, 'cause I'm the best. Every miner asks me how I do it, and I always tell them grab up the box and
So they go run through it.
I really like my diamonds, man.
They're the best.
I looked at you since I was my
diamond best.
What can I say, fellas? I'm a crack with class. You're a silly 10-year-old sitting in a
Christmas with the
I always try to think ever since I started. Oh, brings back memories of my first little ones that I learned. Diamonds, everything, all day, every day. Diamond lifestyle.
So you best get out my way.
I don't settle for less.
Absolutely not.
Ain't got no wooden boat, man.
It's a diamond awesome yacht.
Cause that's how I roll, Pete. Best to let you know. Everything of mine gets the diamond.
Even on my home.
What, fellas? I don't see.
I'm a pimp.
Mess with me, homies, I will give you an empty list. That's right, man. You don't mess with a man who has a toilet filled with diamonds.
Got my diamond, 'cause I'm the best. Mine is easy,
'Cause I'm the best. Every miner always asks me how I do it, and I always tell them grab a big fight so they go run through it. Got my diamond, 'cause I'm the best. Mine is easy, 'cause I'm the best. Every miner always asks me how I do it, and I always tell them grab a big fight so they go run through it. can't find no diamonds in your chest. That makes you a loser.
It makes me the best.
Cause I got diamonds, man. Blowing
Not my ass.
Give me a pick, dude.
I'm gonna find a
really
move.
bad. You got stuck, man. So GTFO. How you got stuck so bad? I really don't know. I got more diamonds than anyone has in this entire game. So if you can't find any more, then you know who to blame. When I'm in the club, I always make it rain. Emeralds everywhere, everyone's going insane. Whenever I go out to mine, all of my stay away. But if they act wise, I know exactly what to say.
Look at
Punk ass motherfucker. House party rocking the block all night. Music like soda, diamonds everywhere inside. Cause everyone knowing that I'm the best. Don't believe it, but I found the test. So let's go stronger. Give me 10 seconds and it will be gone. Got my diamonds, cause I'm the best. Mine is easy, cause I'm obsessed. Every miner always asks me how I do it. And I always come and grab a big fighting stone and go run through it. Got my diamonds, cause I'm the best. Mine is easy, cause I'm obsessed. Every miner always asks me how I do it. And I always tell them grab a big fighting stone and go run through it. For any of you guys think I'm hacking or cheating, expect me there in the 2 days for a beat. Cause you got it all wrong, man. It's math, skills, and hard work. That's why I got millions, and you just a store clerk.
Okay,
I would let you assist you, but I got magic to buy. The stuff you can do when you're in Minecraft when you're rich. I even put the diamonds in my
sandwich.
I don't mess with news.